Now, this is just a quick thing. We were talking about the team. Look at how fast these guys wrap up a machine here. Going right over and under. Now you do a lot of this, obviously. Are there mistakes that people make in packing up machines that they should avoid that you've learned from doing this?
Taking the balls out. Always take the balls out. Forget the balls, you can ruin the
instruments. So first thing, is that the mistake that most people make?
Yep. Forgetting about the balls.
So that
they think they're secure in there, but sometimes it goes right down the board
and you know, the glass, the whole 10 yards, and all the wrapping in the world won't protect it from balls from the inside.
Right.
Any other advice to a person moving pinball machines?
Take your time. Don't do it all by yourself either. You know, try to have assistance.
So extra people, and so wrap it carefully, extra people, and don't worry about taking time. Better to take the time than to screw things up. All right, well, thank you so much.